Hello friends, today's interview question is what is pass keyword in Python. So we are going to see why we need to use this pass. So for example, whenever you are defining any code block in Python, code block means it will be an indented block in which you are going to write your code. So your functions, classes, then try except finally, then if blocks. So all these are your code blocks. So whenever you are writing this code blocks, so for example, I have taken here one, I want to define one function here, def fun1. So for example, this is my function and currently I don't have implementation of this function. So this is code block, right? So we know that in Python code block starts with colon and here it is indented. So for now I don't have implementation of this function. So if I keep this block blank and if I go for next statement, so what happens, we will check. So I have saved this program and I am running this. So it is giving me error and expected an indented block after function definition on line 4, right? Means you can't keep such a block, code block blank, right? So for example, whenever you are doing development, currently you don't know what should be the logic of this fun1. So that's why you have kept this block blank, but this is not allowed in Python. So to avoid this error, so what is happening, so here you are getting error, so because of that next statement is not getting executed. So to avoid this error, what you have to do, you have to use pass keyword here. So how to use this? Here pass I am writing. I have saved this program and now I will run, right? So in this way it has executed. So when you have to use this pass keyword, for example, you don't have that code block implementation when you are doing development. So for example, in future you want to implement, so you can't keep that block empty, and if you keep that block empty, so you are going to get error. So to avoid that, what you have to do, you have to use this pass keyword in Python, right? So in this way, this is the use of pass keyword in Python. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notifications. Thanks for watching the video.